Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to link Instagram to Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com, and to connect your Instagram account with Squarespace, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. Click on this website button below your desired website. And from this left side menu, click on this settings icon. Go to third-party tools, click on connected accounts, click again on connect account button and select Instagram. A new window pops up. Log in to your Instagram account and click on allow in order to allow Instagram to use cookies and similar technologies on other apps and websites. Click on allow. The two accesses you are given are the profile information and the content, and click on allow. As you can see, most templates have built-in social icons, but you can also display icons anywhere on your site using the social links block. Click on save. And this is my Instagram profile that I linked with my Squarespace account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.